Hey there, what's up, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nanjula. So today onwards, we are going to start new Java lesson series. So we are going to cover everything related to core Java concepts, basics to advanced. So if you are beginner or intermediate to Java programming, it's completely okay because we are going to cover everything you really need to know in Java. So let's start. Java was created by James Gasoline and his team at Sun Microsystems back in early 1990s. But now Java is owned by Oracle Corporation. So now Java is under the trademark of the Oracle Corporation. They release new Java updates in every 6 months. Java is an object-oriented, class-based language designed to be simple, secure, and portable. Java is powerful and versatile language that's used by millions of developers in the world right now. So let's see why Java is so famous. One of the most remarkable feature in Java is its platform independence. This means that once you write Java program, you can run any device or operating system that has Java virtual machine. So don't worry about this Java virtual machine and the thing because we are going to explain those things in our further videos. So let's think about Java virtual machine is like some kind of engine that can run Java program in everywhere, like any device or any operating system. When it comes to the learning of the Java, to Java learning is a little bit harder to considering other languages. Like if I can give an example like this. So very first action we perform in every language is a print hello world. So perform that action, you have to write multiple lines in the Java to perform that. But considering JavaScript or Python, it's you need one line. So yes, learning Java is a little bit harder, but it is worth because when you need to shift to another language, if you know the Java, it is completely easy to move other languages. So whether you are a beginner or experienced developer who looking forward to expand your skills, learning Java can open up you to the opportunity or world of opportunity. So that's it for today's video. And I hope you found this Java introduction video in very helpful manner. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so then you don't miss our upcoming videos. So please hit the like button and also please put some comment. I really appreciate your feedbacks. So I will see you in the next video.